Hi, I'm Gail Weissman, Editor-in-Chief of DentalCompare.com, and we're here at the 2009 Chicago Midwinter Meeting with Vice President of Marketing at Dentalese Group, Randy Arner.
Hi, Gail.
I know Dentalese has been in the forefront of ergonomic equipment design and had the dentist's health and productivity at heart for a long time. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Certainly, Gail. Actually, we got involved in ergonomics back in 1958 with the first J-chair was manufactured, which introduced sit-down dentistry to the dental profession. And since then, ergonomics has been into consideration in all the products that we manufacture. As you may be aware, musculoskeletal disorders for the dental team is increasing. And so proper seating, ergonomics is critical in order for them to have a healthy practice and to have years of being able to practice. I don't know if many people realize, but this damage is progressive. It starts over time and actually starts when they start clinicals in school. So if the dental team is not practicing safe, healthy, and is not using ergonomic equipment, their career time might be shortened.
Wow. And it also would make them more productive on a day-to-day basis as well?
Absolutely. We look at efficiency and ergonomics when we look at designing products that are used for dental professions.
Well, I think I certainly would, and I know our readers would like to see some of the specific features on the equipment and how they're going to help dentists practice healthier and better.
Well, we'd certainly like to show you, and I'd like to introduce Aggie Pennington to walk you through our product. She's a Senior Product Manager for equipment with the Dentalese Group.
Terrific.
Okay.
Aggie, thanks so much for helping us out. I'm really curious to see all the ergonomic features on this chair.
Oh, sure, Gail. The JV Generation chair has a very ergonomic design that's different from most chairs on the market. What we're proudest of is the exclusive seat tilt feature, which benefits both the dental team and the patient. From the patient standpoint, the seat tilt, which is the only chair that allows the patient to be rocked back, maintains a proper spinal alignment for the patient. And from the dentist point of view, what happens is then you can recline the patient further back than any other chair. And this allows the dentist to work with their arms by their side rather than raising their arms up and causing musculoskeletal disorders. In addition to that, because of the slim, narrow back, the doctor can actually work from 9 o'clock position all the way around to 12 o'clock without any twisting or reaching to access the oral cavity.
That's great.
The final exclusive feature that we have on our JV Generation is an air glide. The air glide is activated with a toggle on the bottom, which we just simply activate, and then we can move the chair around.
Wow.
Just using one finger. And this is good for cleaning in operatory or when there's a handicapped patient and we need additional access to get into the room. Other products that we have are the Team Workstation, which has a 1 o'clock delivery, which allows the dentist to simply access the handpieces right from this position, again, without any twisting or turning.
Right. That's great.
In addition to that, we have our Generation stool line, and on the Generation stool, we have 3 features. We have height adjustability, we have a lumbar support, which is adjustable, and a 15-degree seat tilt that allows for proper blood flow in long procedures. So these are the main ergonomic benefits that we have with the Dentalese equipment products.
Oh, that's great. Well, thanks very much for showing us those.
Oh, you're very welcome, and thank you.
And what else are we going to see today?
Now I'd like to introduce you to Cass Campbell, who is our Senior Star Dental Manager, who handles the handpiece line.
Great. Looking forward to it. Thanks.
Thanks, Gail.
Hi, Cass. Thanks so much for being with us. Can you tell us a little bit about the ergonomic features of the Star handpieces and the hygiene products?
Absolutely. What we have here is our Solera handpiece. It's made from solid titanium, and what that means is it's solid throughout, and it's a lot lighter in weight than the average handpiece, which is usually around 49 to 52 grams. This weighs in at a mere 32 grams, and like I said, it is solid and has a nice small head. It's got a nice arc to the handle, which makes it nice and ergonomic, especially for little hands, pediatric dentistry. It's a really great handpiece for that. That's our high-speed, lightweight ergonomic product.
Okay.
Then we moved on to our low-speed ergonomic product, which is the Titan T. We also have a Titan 3, which is stainless steel, but this is Titan T, obviously, for obvious reasons. It's also titanium. Right. This is our 20K motor, and we've got a motor to angle adapter, as well as our our push-button angle. And it's very ergonomic in terms of being lightweight as well. Corrosion resistant, too. It's really key for these products. They last and last that way. Then moving on to our hygiene products, we had our original Titan scaler, but we made an upgrade to it. We made it out of anodized aluminum. We call it the Star Dental Bosonic. It also has these nice ergonomic grips that come off. They're replaceable, and they come in 4 different colors, which the hygienist or the doctor that might be doing some scaling can color code for each operatory if they choose to. And it's a nice finger purchase for them, a nice rest, that they don't have to worry about their hand fatigue, not only because of the weight of the scaler, but also because the grip has a nice contour to it.
Right. And these are autoclavable?
Yes, they are. They've been tested out for 2 years without any discoloration, and they last. The color stays true to form. Wow. So it's a great way to keep a nice-looking instrument in your presence of your patients.
Great colors.
Yes, they do love these colors. And we took that same technology and incorporated it into our ProfiStar 3, which is also made from anodized aluminum, comes in at a mere 62 grams in weight, has the same color coding technology with the same colors, autoclavable, removable. You just can slide them off, wipe down with isopropyl alcohol, take your next one that's been autoclaved, put that on, put a new angle on, and then you can continue work on your next patient without any downtime. So we really like to think and consider the doctor as well as the hygienist when it comes to ergonomics within our company, whether it's your back, your hands, your shoulders, your feet. And this is just part of our beginning stages of really recognizing that ergonomics are so important to the health and overall well-being of the dental operatory and the people that are key to it.
That's wonderful. You guys got it all covered, I guess.
Yes, we do. We try to do our best.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Well, Randy, that was really impressive. And above and beyond equipment design, I know that Dentalese is also at the forefront of informing the dental profession about the importance of ergonomic equipment design. And how exactly are you doing that?
We do that in a number of different ways. We contract with a lot of key opinion leaders. They use our product when lecturing on ergonomics and talking to the dental professionals. We also partner with the ADAA, ADHA. We do a lot of roundtable with proper seating. Another thing that we do is we will go into the dental practice, watch them practice, and then help point out how they can better do ergonomics in their practice. You know, over time they learn improper seating, and we try to retrain them to practice better and be more efficient in how they do it, as well as going into the schools and doing teaching on proper seating there as well.
That's great. Very interesting. Well, you know, you can find out more about all of Dentalese's educational initiatives by just clicking on the button below this video. And Randy, I just want to thank you very much. This was really enlightening, and it was a pleasure talking to you. And thank you all from the Chicago Midwinter Meeting 2009. We'll see you.